Hello, in this video I will show you how to use Apple gift cards on Shein. Now it's an extremely easy process. So what you have to do is, firstly open your browser and go to your Shein.com. Now, just simply choose any one of the products. Let's say for example home and lifestyle. Just simply choose a product. Then add that particular product to your card. Once you will do that, click on add to cart. Now, once your product is added to your cart, just simply go to your cart. Then you will find all your products that are available in your cart. Now, what you have to do is just simply go to the checkout page. So just simply select the product that you want to buy. And then once you're in your checkout page, just simply enter the redeem code right over here and you will be good to go. Now, the other option that you can try is by going to your profile. So click on the three lines, go to your profile, over here click on gift card. Then just simply enter your gift card code right over here and then enter the PIN if you have it. Then just simply click on check balance and that will also work and it will directly add your balance right over here. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.